Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the arachidonic acid metabolites which are from cell-derived mediators that are newly synthesized. Arachidonic acids are 20 carbon polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are present in esterified form and incorporated into the membrane phospholipid. These arachidonic acids are released from the membrane by the activation of the enzyme phospholipases or by mechanical, chemical or physical stimuli or by the activation of another mediators, for example C5a. Once this arachidonic acid is released from the membrane, it is rapidly converted to the bioactive mediators that is also known as eicosanoids. The sources include leukocyte, mast cells, endothelial cells and platelets. Two major enzymatic pathways start once this arachidonic acid is released from the membrane. One is cyclooxygenase pathway and other is lipooxygenase pathway. Through cyclooxygenase pathway, there is a production of prostaglandins. ठीक है, these are produced by the action of cyclooxygenases COX-1 and COX-2. COX-1 is produced in response to inflammatory stimuli and also constitutively expressed in more tissue. But COX-2 is produced in response to inflammatory stimuli. COX-1 also has a physiological function. Cyclooxygenases causes the production of endoperoxidases which further give rise to prostacyclin, prostaglandin D2, E2 and thromboxane A2. Prostaglandin I2 cause vasodilation and inhibit the platelet aggregation. And prostaglandin D2 and E2 cause vasodilation and increase the vascular permeability. Thromboxane A2 cause vasoconstriction and promote platelet aggregation. Lipooxygenase pathway. This lipooxygenase pathway will give rise to HPETE, that is also known as hydroperoxy eicosanoids tetraionates, that undergo reduction by the enzyme peroxidases will produce HETE, that is known as hydroxy eicosanoids tetraionates. 5-lipoxygenase will give rise to the activation of leukotriene A4, that leukotriene A4 which can give rise to leukotriene B4 or leukotriene C4. The leukotriene B4 is produced by neutrophils and some macrophages, and it is a potent chemotactic agent, and they also causes the generation of reactive oxygen species and causes the aggregation and adhesion of the cells to the endothelium. The leukotriene C4, D4, E4 causes vasoconstriction, bronchospasms and increase the vascular permeability. ठीक है, this is important in stomach. The 12-lipoxygenase causes the production of lipoxin. These lipoxins are basically the inhibitors of inflammatory reactions. By inhibiting the recruitment of the leukocyte, they inhibit neutrophil chemotaxis and adhesion to endothelium. Now coming toward the pharmacological inhibitors of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Cyclooxygenase inhibitors may aspirin, niacin, that is also known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents. These both inhibit the COX-1 and COX-2, thus blocking the prostaglandin synthesis. एंड लाइपोक्सीजनेस इनहिबिटर्स में जो है हम पढ़ते हैं एक ड्रग है जिलोटिन, दैट ड्रग विल इनहिबिट दी लाइपोक्सीजनेस पाथवे. और कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स पढ़ते हैं एडिनल ग्लैंड से ड्यूरिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन देर इज इंक्रीज इन सिंथेसिस ऑफ कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स. और ये कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स है बेसिकली जो है एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी, इनका रिएक्शन होता है, इनका इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स होता है एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी. तो ये क्या करते हैं कि ये COX-2 की एक्टिवेशन को स्टॉप कर देते हैं, फॉस्फोलाइपेज A2 की एक्टिवेशन को सप्रेस कर देते हैं. तो ये जो है ना इसलिए ये अपना रोल परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. और ल्यूकोट्राइन रिसेप्टर एंटागोनिस्टिक बेसिकली क्या कर रहे हैं, ये ल्यूकोट्राइन के रिसेप्टर्स को क्या कर रहे हैं, ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं और टू प्रिवेंट द एक्शन ऑफ ल्यूकोट्राइन्स.